Hey, this is Toby with Topic Trading, and I'm back with another weekly review. So as usual, we're starting out with the daily chart. We are looking at the ES mini futures, the daily, where one bar represents one day. And to me, we just now had the first clear break of this super strong uptrend channel. So it's expected now that we will see a bit of a retracement, maybe back to the midline, the EMA 21, the midline of the envelope bands. And that retracement is also pretty expected since we have been hovering around the very outer band here of the envelope bands for the last week or a couple of weeks. So we have been super overbought now for quite a long period of time. So as usual, when we are in the outer territories of the envelope bands, either if we are oversold or overbought, it's pretty common that we have a retracement back to the midline, the EMA 21. So let's see if that's what's going to happen now as well, that we will retrace back to the deep purple midline here. But when the retracement is done, I think we have another push to the highs to expect, at least to retest the high of this very strong uptrend, and maybe we even go as far to retest the high of the previous larger uptrend over here. No guarantees though. Nobody really knows what's going to happen, but this is such a strong uptrend here. So at least I think it's likely that we will see a retest of the highs of this uptrend. So we just have to wait out the retracement, which might come down to the midline and take it from there. And then when all this have played out, when we had the retracement and maybe after we had a retest, it's hard to say where the market's going to go after that. Looking back at this larger downtrend, if this was valid, we had an overshot, and usually prices will come back to retest the extremes of any channel. But sometimes when we have an overshot, the prices will just go in the other direction and continue and don't look back. So who knows? But for the last weeks here, we are looking super strong in a way, and as mentioned, I think it's very likely that we at least will see a retest of the high of this structure here after the retracement and the relief of the buying pressure is over here. So let's see. Flipping over to the news events for this week. Monday have already passed. I'm sorry about that. I'm a bit late again this week, releasing this video on Tuesday. So today at 8 a.m. Central Time, which is 30 minutes before open, we have a orange, potentially medium impact event, the S&P/CS Composite. 9 a.m., 30 minutes after open, we have a red, potentially high impact event, CP Consumer Confidence, also along with Richmond Manufacturing Index. 5 minutes after that, 35 minutes after open, we have a medium orange one, FOMC Member Waller Speaks. Wednesday at 7:30, 1 in the morning, which is 1 hour before open. We have a couple of events, one red and one orange. The gross domestic product indices. Thursday, we have OPEC meetings all day, and 7:30, 1 hour before open, we have the core PCE price index and the unemployment claims. 8:45, which is 50 minutes after open, we have the Chicago PMI. 9 a.m., 30 minutes after open, the pending home sales month to month. Friday, which is 1st of December, 9 a.m., which is 30 minutes after open, we have the ISM manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing prices. And finally, 10 a.m. on Friday, which is 1.5 hours after open, a red, potentially high impact event, the Fed Chair Powell speaks. And as mentioned many times before, we look at these this news calendar or these news events used to be aligned when these events occur. So we can be careful trading around those times, since news events like these can cause volatility on the market, which means a lot of price movements, and this can cause troubles with your orders, such as slippage, etc. So you really do want to avoid trading around that time, just to avoid any kind of troubles with your orders. So please keep these news events in mind. Use a news alert indicator if you don't have one. Those are super helpful. And yeah, that's all for this week. I wish you a really great one, and good trades to you. And take care, everybody. Speak to you next time. Bye.